Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to use YouTube Premium on your iPad. Quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPad and make sure the YouTube app is installed and updated to the latest version. Step 2. Launch YouTube and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Get YouTube Premium. If you already have a subscription, just sign in with the same Google account linked to your premium plan. Step 4. Choose your plan and complete the subscription through your Apple ID or existing Google account. Step 5. Once activated, you'll enjoy ad-free videos, offline downloads, and background play even when you switch to other apps. Step 6. To download a video, tap the download button under it. To listen in the background, just lock your screen or open another app. Playback continues seamlessly. That's it. Now you can experience YouTube Premium to the fullest on your iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech guides.